Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you agree that the Vybz Kartel track titled Brooklyn is still the baddest and most creative track you have heard from a dancehall artist, bigging up a community outside of the island, more you tear off the like button, viewers and subscribers. And if you also agree with the statement, viewers and subscribers, that Vybz Kartel is one of the most recognized faces and voices of modern day dancehall history, more empty a clip of likes on the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, let's get into the reasoning. Now, recently, Popcaan and Bobby Shmurda link up on a video reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a very good look where dancehall and hip-hop is concerned. Now, Papi also repost a quick screenshot of the convo, you know what I mean, and say, yo, him caption it with saying, the link stay real, live life to the fullest G, in a whole heap of caption, GS9 and Rooly, him tag Bobby, him tag Rowdy them, you know what I mean, and him say, touch road killy. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's definitely a good look to see where dancehall is projected to go. We see the recent showers of admiration for the dancehall culture, the appreciation worldwide for the dancehall culture, citing that even the hip-hop culture, as big as it is, worldwide as it is, we have rappers out here. We have Jamaican rappers, you have rappers in Nigeria, you have rappers all across the world, but dancehall music was definitely the influence for that genre of music as well. Little be known to most young fans of both dancehall and hip-hop. Kool Herc and all them names they were here were influenced by people like Uri and Jamaican selectors at the time would have go overseas and string up them sound and do them thing. For the better part, me personally, I feel like that is why we need an artist. We need an artist like Vybz Kartel release. Like, no! As an artist, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has shown us not only once, who feel like say maybe it's just a, maybe a buck-ups. No, the teacher has done it over and over again. A track like the Brooklyn Anthem has never been attempted by any other dancehall artist. I think very few artists from Brooklyn even have a Brooklyn Anthem. And just to point out, yes, that is the same borough from which Bobby Shmurda hails from. So despite all of you hear the media talk and all of them try to say, right to spot Bobby them forward from big Gaza Nation, please. Ask anybody at Brooklyn. We did not get too deep into that. But right on the block where him forward from, yeah, a Gaza them say about it. Know what I mean? I don't know other artists them say. Yes, then listen to other dancehall artists. The dancehall culture is very vibrant. In a New York City overall, it's a place where the teacher visit on numerous occasions. You know what I mean? We see him at the Hot 97 interview when he did drop, I think, of the remastered version of the album up to the time. And then they go there promotional tour and press run and things of that nature. And them say, yo, New York are definitely one of the places them will support dancehall music. You know what I mean? We know that big club then at Queens, I think Amazura, them a ramp to keep some big dancehall show. You know what I mean? And big up even on Coney Island out there too. And Brooklyn known to keep them big party too as well. Dancehall influence. If you see what go on in even the Brooklyn music scene right now, the whole dancing and the whole energy there, people say that can be directly linked to the dancehall culture. Even the type of dance and the way the ladies them dance and the whole energy is a good look. That's why I say we're hip hop and dancehall is concerned, we see even simple gestures like this. Dancehall artists are reach out with hip-hop stars and them a link up and them a whole a reason and them a whole a vibe. That is a good look within itself, viewers and subscribers, even if it go unnoticed the most. And for the better part, big up all the artists them where the features with international artists. We say Shensi have a thing with a young rapper found out soon. You know what I mean? She do some other features. The whole heap of American artists already. Poppy, the name of the Drake link there. The whole heap of tracks with international artists, from UK artists like Gigs to Party Next Door, Canadian stars to, you know, Megan Thee Stallion, North American stars. You know, definitely a good look. And as we can say, anytime we see Poppy, I do well. It always remind me of Vybz Kartel and his visionary prowess. Means say Vybz Kartel was one of the first person to say, yo, Popcaan, you know, see you have something with. As an artist, the world I got interested. The world I got interested. Them I go give you a listening here. And if you follow the instructions that is outlined here in the Gaza class and you pass, you can definitely make it on the world stage. And him do it. For the better part, him did do it. So him definitely proved Vybz Kartel's point right. With these principles in place, you can't lose. You can't lose. And it's why, even while incarcerated, even while tracks get recorded years ago, you can hear them now and them run dancer. And this is why you can hear a Vybz Kartel track from 2008 now. And if it mixed and mastered the right way, we are looking at another dancehall banger. And this is from the artist's perception or point of view during 2008. Just goes to show that music with substance will always live on. And I always say that. And people are saying, yo, what do you mean music with substance? Music where it's just not catchy lyrical content. And not just the beat that carry it on. But the song of substance. It actually talked about something very interesting in the song. The wordplay was there. It actually showed us creativity. Not just get a beat. Because the majority of these artists and the producers, them are the most of the work. You know? And the producers and the engineers are the most of the work for these artists. And some of these producers are buying and not creating a rhythm. Same with the engineers, them buy them from foreign. But anyway, them grab the rhythm them for them, tune it, get the dancehall energy there. Whether them equal levels are, you know, whatever the case, whatever them do. These artists forward in, drop them mediocre lyrical content, and then the producers and the engineer them know I forgot mix and master the track and try to find a way to make the song pop. Then them have to link the video director. And the video director now have to find a way to make the video pop. Then no, them still have to end up by views feed. Just for point that out. Songs with substance. You don't have to do that feed. You don't have to do. But the Vybz Kartel drop tracks, viewers and subscribers. And yo, them are get a fight from the platform. And you know I go on the street, it a play 24/7. You know I go on overseas, it a play upon secular radio stations like Hot 97. Some artists can tell you how much time they have a ear off them song being played there. A regular occurrence for your Vybz Kartel Vice while listening to Hot 97. Bobby condones them. Know what I mean? It's a regular occurrence, viewers and subscribers. This is a good look. Know what I mean? New York artists definitely show or have that respect for dancehall music and for Vybz Kartel. Bobby Shmurda, good luck for say you on Rowdy out. You respect with the whole settings with this. For those nothing to do, Bobby was offered a lesser sentence and he chose to hold it because of his co-accused, just like in a Vybz Kartel case. Bobby chose to hold it. Bobby, I say what you know? We not do that. We not do that. We are not doing it. We not accept a plea deal. Same like Sean Storm. Loyalty. Loyalty go a far away. So, to see him hold it and forward out, some tell us that freedom is a must. People feel like say, oh, the situation is what it is and it can't change. That is because they do not want it to change people. Them no want Vybz Kartel released. Them happy with them there. When can put out the songs, not being in the videos, and it just do what it do. And some other artists can continue to be the face or pretend to be the face. Me and them talk like say a such man show it go on good. Want to do hundreds of people who got on a say it flop. Want to the people them that were in attendance to say it flop. One to the people where I say the opening acts were better than the main act. I guess nobody not talk about that. But it is what it is. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. And when you put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon of the tweet. Drop a like on the vlog for me, like where your earbuds are shape on the vlog in truth. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother, them check out the channel. Join the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can contain the reasoning via the comment section.